It is finally back. Whales just shocked the whole Shiba Inu community. Almost 10 trillion Shiba Inu are on the move. At the same time, Blackrock joined the fun and made massive bombshells. People are excited. The momentum is slowly shifting to Shiba Inu, and it's not stopping soon. What is happening? And what on earth am I even talking about? Well, let me explain. Disclaimer. Today is honestly one of those wild days that Shiba Inu fans won't forget anytime soon. Even though the price is still trying to recover, the vibe in the community is on fire right now. Why? Because Blackrock, yes, that Blackrock, just did something no one expected. A massive accumulation just got recorded, and it's not small at all. We're talking about serious money starting to flow in. But here's where it gets even crazier, like perfect goosebump timing. Whales, those deep pocket investors, just came back in a big way. Almost 10 trillion Shiba Inu tokens were scooped up. That's a mountain of Shiba, and let's be real. That kind of move doesn't happen for no reason. Something big could be brewing behind the scenes. But I know what you're thinking. That's great, but what about the price? Is it actually moving? Equal sign fair question. And yeah, there's something going on there too. One analyst broke it down, and what he said has the community even more hyped. According to him, Shiba Inu just pulled off a sharp move upward recently, and now it's chilling in this tight classic pattern on the chart called a bull flag. Basically, that's a setup that often comes right before another explosive move. The important part? Shiba Inu is holding steady above a key support level, which is a good sign that it's not giving up its recent gains easily. It's like the calm before a potential storm. And here's the kicker. The breakout target is way higher than where it is right now, around 18% higher if this plays out the way it's shaping up. That's not a small move in crypto terms. And the RSI, the Relative Strength Index, isn't even overheated yet. It's just hovering in the middle, which means there's still a lot of room for momentum to build. So if this breakout confirms, buckle up. It could be the beginning of another powerful leg up for Shiba Inu. With Blackrock jumping in, whales loading up again, and a bullish chart pattern lining up like clockwork, it's starting to feel like something massive is around the corner. And actually, we're already seeing signs of this unfolding in real time. Today has been full of action, and the moves we're witnessing are not your average buys and sells. These are massive, strategic, deliberate moves that only serious players in the game can pull off. According to the latest data from Into the Block, Shiba Inu whales, specifically those holding between 10 to 100 trillion tokens, have just ramped up their positions in a big way. Just a couple of days ago, they were holding around 182 trillion tokens. But fast forward to today, and that number has jumped to over 192 trillion. That's a gain of 10 trillion tokens in just 2 days. Think about that for a second. 10 trillion more Shiba Inu tokens are now sitting in the hands of the most powerful holders. This is absolutely massive for a few reasons. First, it signals deep conviction. Whales don't just throw that kind of weight around for fun. These are high-capital investors, institutions, funds, or ultra-wealthy individuals who are betting big, and they tend to move before major news or price action, not after. Their confidence is usually built on information, insight, or strategic planning that regular traders simply don't have access to. So when you see these giants increasing their exposure by such a huge margin, it's often a strong early indicator that something big is coming. Second, it creates a solid base of support for the token. When whales hold, they reduce circulating supply. They're not usually looking to make a quick flip. They're in for serious gains, and that stability they bring helps reduce wild volatility. In simpler terms, it gives Shiba Inu a much stronger floor and makes it harder for the price to crash easily. Retail investors can panic sell all they want, but with that much Shiba sitting in strong hands, the foundation becomes a lot more stable. Third, this kind of accumulation often sparks what's called a rebound rally. And that's exactly what analysts are starting to expect. When whales load up, smaller investors usually follow the momentum. It's a ripple effect. First the whales buy, then the charts start to turn bullish, then the crowd jumps in. Before you know it, price starts surging again. But here's the crazy part. At the exact same time, Blackrock made another jaw-dropping move. Blackrock just bought over $160 million worth of Bitcoin. Yeah, you heard that right. One of the biggest asset managers in the world, managing trillions of dollars, just dropped a chunk of change on Bitcoin like it was nothing. This isn't retail money. This isn't FOMO. This is calculated, high-stakes positioning. And when BlackRock steps in like this, the entire market takes notice. Now let's connect the dots here. Just as Shiba Inu whales start piling in, boosting their holdings by 10 trillion tokens in just 2 days, BlackRock is making a move of its own, accumulating Bitcoin like something major is about to go down. This doesn't feel like a coincidence. These two events happening almost side by side might be a sign of a bigger wave forming beneath the surface. And the timing? Way too perfect to ignore. So the question is, do they know something we don't? Are these smart money players getting positioned ahead of a potential market breakout? It's definitely starting to feel like they're front-running something huge. Maybe it's regulatory clarity. Maybe it's a major geopolitical shift. Or maybe, just maybe, it's the return of a full-blown crypto bull run. And in a bull run, Bitcoin usually leads, but Shiba Inu often explodes. Think about it. When institutional giants like BlackRock move this aggressively, it's rarely guesswork. It's strategy. They've got teams of analysts, data scientists, and insiders working around the clock. And when that kind of money starts flowing into both Bitcoin and Shiba Inu through whale wallets and spot buys, it usually means the smart money sees an opportunity most of the market hasn't fully priced in yet. So yeah, this could be the early signs of a massive momentum shift. Shiba Inu whales returning. BlackRock stacking Bitcoin. The charts flashing bullish patterns. If this isn't the beginning of something big, it's at least the warm-up before the real show begins. Now, even looking at the long term, Shiba Inu is shining with potential. Sometimes it's easy to get caught up in short-term price swings or the noise of the market, but what really matters is the bigger picture. And right now, that picture is getting clearer and more bullish by the day. All we really need to do is be patient. That's exactly the message Lucy, Shiba Inu's lead marketer, just shared in a powerful tweet. She said, "What's meant for you will be yours. Nothing and no one can change that. Do good, be good." Simple words, but they carry a lot of meaning, especially in the world of crypto, where emotions run high and the road to success isn't always a straight line. Lucy's message is a reminder that great things take time. Shiba Inu was never meant to be just another meme coin. It's grown far beyond that. We've got Shibarium running, new developer tools being launched, utility being built day by day, and major interest from whales and even institutions now circling the project. This isn't hype anymore. It's momentum backed by real developments and growing infrastructure. The current state of Shiba Inu shows that the foundation is being laid for something much greater. Whales are returning and BlackRock is stacking Bitcoin. Bullish chart setups are forming. And through it all, the Shiba community stays strong and optimistic, building toward a future that's not just based on dreams, but on progress. So yes, we're seeing some fireworks now. But the real reward will go to those who stay focused, stay grounded, and remember what Lucy said. What's meant for you will be yours. Shiba Inu's journey is still just getting started. But what is your opinion on this? Comment down below. If you are curious to find more, then make sure to click on one of the videos you see on the screen.
Coinbase, are you serious? Come on, don't do that again. Shiba Inu has already lost 1/3 of its value during this month. We can't expect another price crash anymore. But do they even care what we think? Well, that's a good question. So, what is actually going behind the scenes? And is there any light at the end of the tunnel? Well, let's see. Disclaimer. Back in March, something incredible happened with Shiba Inu. In less than a week, its price tripled. This was truly astonishing, especially for a cryptocurrency valued in the billions. Such rapid and massive price jumps are extremely rare. The main reason for this spike was a surge in market enthusiasm. When a lot of people get excited about a cryptocurrency, they start buying it quickly, which drives the price up. Social media buzz and influential endorsements can also play a big role, creating a snowball effect where more and more people jump on the bandwagon, pushing the price even higher. This price spike caught the attention of many new investors, which isn't surprising. When people see a cryptocurrency's value skyrocketing, they often want to get in on the action, hoping to make quick profits. However, things have changed drastically since then. Shiba Inu Inu has dropped by more than 30% in just the past 30 days. This kind of volatility can be unsettling for newcomers. They may feel worried or frustrated because they entered the market when prices were high, expecting them to keep going up. For example, imagine someone who heard about Shiba Inu's rapid rise in March and decided to invest in a cryptocurrency. And now, seeing the price drop significantly, they might be questioning their decision and feeling uncertain about what to do next. It's a tough lesson in the unpredictability of cryptocurrency markets and the risks involved in investing. However, Shiba Inu isn't the only one experiencing this. Over the past month, the entire cryptocurrency market has seen significant declines. To put this time frame into perspective, 1 month might not seem like a long time in everyday life. But in the fast-moving world of cryptocurrency, it's a long time. And if you're interested in investing in cryptocurrencies, it can feel like an eternity. Just a year or two ago, during the bear market, it wasn't uncommon to see prolonged periods of price decreases. People had become somewhat accustomed to that. However, everything changed. When we transitioned into a bull market around 6 months ago, especially after the approval of the Bitcoin ETF. During a bull market, prices tend to rise consistently, sometimes even daily. Newcomers who join the market during this bullish phase haven't experienced extended downturns like this before. For them, seeing prices rise consistently, they're not going to feel like a long time. They might feel anxious, confused, or even regretful about their investments. The expectation of continual gains has been abruptly challenged, causing many to question their understanding of how cryptocurrencies behave. And then things took a turn for the worse yesterday. News began spreading across the internet that Binance, the largest cryptocurrency exchange globally, bigger even than Coinbase, was planning to delist Shiba Inu. This announcement sent shockwaves through the community, especially coming on the heels of the significant price drop over the past month. For many people, this latest development felt like a double blow. First, they had witnessed their investments lose value steadily, and now the potential delisting of Shiba Inu from such a major exchange added a new layer of uncertainty and concern. It made them question the future of their investments and left them feeling anxious about what might come next. This kind of news can shake investor confidence significantly, especially for those who are relatively new to the cryptocurrency market and have not experienced such volatility in regulatory actions before. However, there's good news in response to the recent concerns. Lucy, a spokesperson, dismissed these reports as sensationalized clickbait. She clarified that Binance isn't planning to completely delist Shiba Inu. Instead, the exchange will only remove one trading pair. Lucy, who leads marketing efforts, urged members of the Shiba Inu community to focus on the future of their investments. She said that the market is now in a difficult position to verify information from trustworthy sources before jumping to conclusions. This approach ensures that people have accurate information and can make informed decisions about their investments. And she is completely right. It's wise to verify information because the cryptocurrency market is highly sensitive to news and rumors. Misinformation can spread quickly,